So this is going to be my nail polish collection video. I get most of my nail polishes from cheap places. So I'll get them from the Dollar Tree or Five Below or Walmart and stuff. Honestly, a lot of them are from the Dollar Tree, and I feel like they work the same as like ones I have from like Walgreens and Walmart that are like $8 each. So I feel like it's worth it to buy ones from the dollar store, especially because sometimes I accidentally leave them out and they're like all dried up. You'll see a lot that are dried up here. So if they're only $1, that's less money I wasted when they dry up. But the LA Color Craze is from the Dollar Tree. It's only $1 each. OPI is more expensive. It's like $8 each, I think. The Sally Hansen brand is alright. They usually last a pretty long time. I don't think I've ever had one dry out, so that's pretty good. And I feel like the colors show up well. The simple colors are always pretty good. China Glaze is overhyped in my opinion. I feel like it works the same as every other nail polish, but people seem to like it. LA Colors gels are pretty nice. They're like slightly more expensive than the regular LA Color ones. Of these random neon ones, I have no idea what store they are from. I have some that are Forever 21 brand, and I felt like they were good. I actually don't like Etsy nail polish that much. I have a few Etsy nail polishes and I feel like they were okay, but they weren't like that good. I feel like the brand is like super hyped up though. The small nail polishes I got in a pack from Five Below. They're easy to use and like the colors show up good, but they're also easy to pull off. So you'd probably need a lot of like top coats to make it so that they don't like fall off easily, if that makes sense. You can like peel them off easily. I also have this other random brand, and I have no idea where those come from either, and I have like a ton of them, but I literally don't know. yeah, and that is my nail polish collection. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, you should like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on my Twitter and Instagram, add me on Snapchat, because I had every single person back, and my goal of the year is at 30,000 subscribers. So please subscribe to help me get there. Okay, that's all I have to say, so goodbye.